The pink salt trick for weight loss. 99% don't know this. What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for weight loss is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and most people have no idea how to use it? I'm talking about something so simple, so overlooked, that 99% of people just use it in the wrong way and miss out on its real potential. It's pink Himalayan salt. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, "Salt? Really? That can't possibly help with weight loss." Stay with me, because the way you use this pink salt can actually trigger a chain reaction in your body that affects hydration, metabolism, digestion, and yes, fat burning. This is not just some random TikTok trend. The pink salt trick has roots in natural health practices and has been tested by thousands of people who swear it gave them an unexpected boost on their weight loss journey. But here's the kicker. If you do it wrong, you'll get zero results, or even make things worse. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare the pink salt recipe for weight loss, the right time to use it, and the common mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Let's be honest. Losing weight is tough. Most people try one diet after another: keto, intermittent fasting, low carb, juice cleanses, only to find themselves back at square one. Why? Because so many of these approaches focus on restriction and willpower instead of addressing how the body actually works. Think about it. How many times have you tried cutting calories only to end up exhausted, craving sugar, and feeling like you failed? Or maybe you've bought expensive supplements or fat burners that promised miracles but delivered nothing except an emptier wallet. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't want to be starved. It wants balance. It wants proper hydration, steady energy, and the right minerals to function. And this is where Himalayan pink salt comes in. Unlike regular table salt, pink salt is packed with over 80 trace minerals, things like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, that play a key role in metabolism and digestion. Most people don't realize that when you're low in minerals, your body can't burn fat efficiently. You'll feel tired, bloated, and stuck. That's why so many people hit a plateau in their weight loss journey. It is not just about calories in and calories out. It is about whether your body has the tools it needs to process food, burn energy, and keep your hormones balanced. And here is the crazy part. The very thing that most of us sprinkle on our food without a second thought could be the missing piece to get the scale moving again. So what makes pink Himalayan salt so different? Let's break it down. First, unlike processed table salt, pink salt is less refined and contains a natural mix of minerals. Table salt is basically just sodium chloride, sometimes with additives to prevent clumping. Pink salt, on the other hand, is mined from ancient salt deposits and still has its natural mineral profile intact. When you mix pink salt with water, creating what some people call soul water, you are not just drinking salt water. You're giving your body an electrolyte boost that helps with hydration, reduces cravings, and supports digestion. Think of it like a natural sports drink, but without the artificial sugar and chemicals. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Pink salt can help balance your body's pH, improve stomach acid production, and even support your adrenal glands. And guess what? All of these functions are directly tied to weight management. Better stomach acid, better digestion, and fewer cravings and less bloating, balanced electrolytes, more energy to work out and stay active, stable adrenals, lower stress hormones which often trigger belly fat storage. But remember, it's not about pouring salt all over your food. Too much salt of any kind can backfire. The trick is in the recipe and the timing, and that's what we are going to cover next. Exactly how to prepare the pink salt drink and the best way to use it to support weight loss. All right, here's the part you've been waiting for, the actual recipe. The classic pink salt drink: take a tall glass of warm water. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Stir well until the salt dissolves completely. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's it. Simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. This drink helps kickstart digestion, balances electrolytes after sleep, and sets the tone for your metabolism throughout the day. Variation 1. Pink salt. Plus. Lemon. Add the juice of half a lemon to your pink salt water. Lemon boosts vitamin C, supports detoxification, and makes the drink more refreshing. Variation 2. Pink salt. Plus. Apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This combo is powerful for balancing blood sugar and reducing cravings. Variation 3. Evening pink salt relaxation. Mix a pinch of pink salt with warm water or herbal tea before bed. Helps relax your muscles, improve sleep quality, and prevent nighttime cravings. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Too much salt. Stick to 1–2 teaspoons per glass. More is not better. Wrong timing. Drinking it right after a heavy meal can cause bloating. Morning or bedtime works best. Poor quality salt. Not all pink salt is the same. Look for authentic Himalayan salt, not cheap imitations. People who've used this trick report feeling less bloated, more energized, and even losing stubborn water weight within days. Some notice reduced cravings, especially for sweets and processed food. Others say it helps them avoid that mid-afternoon energy crash. But remember, pink salt is not a magic bullet. It works best when paired with healthy habits, balanced meals, hydration, and regular movement. Think of it as a catalyst, the spark that helps your body do what it's designed to do. Now that you know the pink salt trick, let's supercharge it. Pair it with hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water throughout the day. Pink salt helps your body hold on to water in a healthy way, but you still need enough fluid. Use it before workouts. A small glass of pink salt water before exercise can improve performance and reduce cramps. Try it with green tea. Adding a pinch of pink salt to your morning green tea enhances minerals and supports fat oxidation. Balance it with potassium-rich foods. Bananas, spinach, and avocados complement the sodium from pink salt, keeping your electrolytes balanced. Myth busting. Some people think salt makes you gain weight because of water retention. The truth? Processed table salt in junk food can cause bloating, yes. But natural pink salt, in moderate amounts, actually helps your body regulate fluids properly and prevents the kind of swelling people fear. Extra benefits of pink salt. Supports deep sleep. Reduces muscle soreness after workouts. Can improve skin hydration and glow. Boosts mineral intake, especially if your diet is lacking. By understanding these extras, you position pink salt not just as a weight loss hack, but as a holistic health booster. And that makes it much easier to stick with the habit long term. So let's wrap this up. The pink salt trick isn't about some miracle cure, it's about giving your body what it needs to function at its best. With just half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt in water, you can support digestion, balance electrolytes, reduce cravings, and give your metabolism a gentle push in the right direction. Is it the only thing you need to lose weight? Of course not. But is it a simple, powerful addition that can make everything else you're doing work better? Absolutely. Now here's the key. Try it for yourself. Start tomorrow morning, keep it consistent for a week, and pay attention to how your body feels. And don't stop here, because in our next video, we're going to tackle the real challenge most people face, belly fat. The video is called How to Finally Get Rid of Belly Fat. 99% have no idea. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Stay consistent, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.